Learn C++ is an Android application designed to help users learn and master the C++ programming language. This app is particularly beneficial for beginners and those looking to enhance their programming skills, offering a structured and interactive approach to learning. Key features typically include a comprehensive curriculum that covers fundamental concepts, such as data types, control structures, functions, object-oriented programming, and advanced topics like templates and standard libraries. The app often provides engaging tutorials, examples, and practical exercises that allow users to apply what they learn in real time. Additionally, Learn C++ may include quizzes and coding challenges to test users' understanding and reinforce learning outcomes. Some versions also offer a code editor, enabling users to write, compile, and run C++ programs directly within the app, fostering hands-on experience. Overall, Learn C++ serves as a valuable resource for anyone looking to gain proficiency in programming with C++, providing tools and content that facilitate an effective learning experience.